Hey there, what's up everyone? Hope you're doing good. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check the warranty status on your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So first thing we're going to need is the serial number of the phone. So you can get that by going into the dial pad and dialing *#06#. It's going to give you the IMEI and the serial number. For this method, we're going to be using the serial number. Most other methods use the IMEI, but here we're going to use the serial number. So just write that down or just keep it here handy. And then we're going to go on a computer, either PC or Mac, doesn't matter. We're just going to go to a website. There's going to be a link down below in the description as well, which will take you right here straight to the website. Either way, the website is www.unlocksamsungonline.nl, as you can see here. And once you get to it, it's going to bring you directly to this page. And here is where you're going to type in the serial number. This one is RF8. Yep, and it looks like I already searched it out, so it's already there. RF8K71ZDX8R. Okay, once you have it completely typed in, you're just going to go ahead and hit check warranty. It's going to load up really quickly, and then it's going to give you the information right here. Let me zoom that in a little bit. So as you can see, here is the information. Here's the serial number of this phone. It's going to give us the production location, manufacturer line. I'm not sure what that is, but here's the production month. So the month that it was manufactured, so July of 2018. So there you have a pretty good idea when it was manufactured. And here it says factory warranty till, and it's going to give you the warranty date. All right, so this one is until, I'm guessing that's September 30th of 2020. So yeah, that was just a quick video on how to check the warranty status of your Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So hope this video is helpful to you as well to check the warranty status on your phone. And that's it for this video. Go ahead and please give it a like. Hope it helps you out, and I'll see you around in the next video. Peace.